Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 4,830. We expected crude oil to stay in buying, maintaining 4,790 as stop loss. Right after the opening, the price tried to move up and came down very near to 790 and closed near 4,820. So it looks like a neutral market, but see, initially it had buying, finally selling, and you could see once the price reached 4,790, it had some clear momentum for the buying. And today's price opening is going to be above 4,860, which again confirms that crude is good on the buying side. So there is no change in our strategy. Still you can expect crude oil to stay in buying, maintaining 4,790 as stop. You can go for buying in crude oil, expecting that the price can move up. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.